just want it. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself?
So what comes to mind when you first talk about hatchbacks? I mean, hot hatch, the sportier versions. You have the Volkswagen Golf GTI, the very first preference, and then you have the Mercedes A-Class, and then the Toyota GR Yaris, which is a superb car. Like, trust me, it is a very superb car. And then you have the Civics, most of the Civics, the EG Civic, the EK ones with that K20 engine. It is amazing. You have many options, but have you ever wondered why hasn't Audi had one? That is the Audi A1 Sportback, and today we are gonna unbox that car. This one is from Majorette Street Cars, the Audi A1 Sportback. The details are so damn amazing. Let's discuss about the Audi A1. But this car looks very aggressive in the front design and its wheels and stuff. Even in the toy version, it's actually pretty good. If you guys haven't checked out its intro part, don't worry, it'll be popping up in the screen right here, so definitely give that a check. And also it has suspensions in this version, which is again very nice attention to detail. The headlights are glass and the interior is spot on, you know, from Majorette, right? It's not like some other brands I know. Usually we ignore the A1 Sportback because of the RS versions in the Audi line, and you know what happened to the RS6, right? Yeah, that's a completely bad memory. I made a video of that too, like a short version. Check that out. Anyways, let's go for the unboxing of A1 Sportback is finally out of the box, and here is the first look, the front look of the Audi A1 Sportback, and it looks amazing, guys. You have the Audi logo, its grills are kind of with that paint, and here you have the bumper. The bumper grille is also very nicely detailed, good attention to detail to the grills. You have the glass headlights, which is pretty nice. I really like the details on those. It looks clean too. And this is the side. Yeah, the side of the car is pretty amazing. You have these stock wheels, which are there in pretty much all of the Majorettes. That's kind of a downer. They don't have new designs on them, so I really don't prefer those. And here's the interior. The interior gets a big 10, guys, because this is such a clean interior. Exactly similar. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, the inside of the car is amazing. You get the steering wheel, which is properly detailed. Of course, the door pads on the sides, they don't come in it because it's a very tiny car. And here is the back. You have the Audi logo, the A1 logo, but there's no Sportback logo. I don't know why. You have these twin exhaust right here on the side, on one side. Well, there should be both sides. So here's the bottom of the car. You have Majorette Audi A1 Sportback and made in Thailand. So this looks much better. You have 156 scale right here, made in Thailand, and these are some of its it's written in German, I guess. Yeah, this is the bottom of the car. And of course, I forgot to show you guys the suspension. Here goes. Yeah, that's some nice suspension right there. So it's not a pullback, but it at least gets some suspension, which is really nice, guys. Good attention to detail. And that's the round look of this Audi A1 Sportback. Now let's go for its specs. After that looks and details, you want to know what's in it, right? So here goes, guys. The specs of the A1 Audi Sportback. Let's start off with its top speed. Well, the top speed is actually ranging from 119 miles per hour to 126 miles per hour. That's 193 kilometers per hour to 203 kilometers per hour. It's not so good, not so bad, somewhere in the mid-range. And going for the acceleration time, again, it has that big variation, but this time it's too big. It's 6.3 seconds to 11.1 seconds. It depends on which variant or the engine you're choosing, I guess. And going for the horsepower, you get the 1-liter engine, a 1.5-liter engine, and a 2-liter engine. The 1-liter engine produces 114 horsepower, and the 1.5-liter produces 148 horsepower, and the 2-liter one goes all the way up to 197 horsepower. Might not be much, but it is a hot hatch, so it is lightweight, guys. And going for the engine, the 1-liter inline 3-cylinder, a turbo stratified fuel injection system, so it's kind of like that semi-turbo, I guess, kind of a forced fuel type engine, which is again powerful. That's what gives the powerful horsepower. And you get the 1.5 liter engine, which is an inline 4 with the same fuel injection, and there's the 2 liter one with the inline 4 cylinder. That's the topmost engine with the 197 horsepower, guys, so that's pretty fast. Going for the transmission, you get a 5 or a 6 speed manual, or you can shift to the 6 or a 7 speed S-tronic gearbox from Audi. That's the speed shift one, which is very nice, guys. Smooth shifts also. Going for the body style, of course you guys know it, this is a 5-door hatchback. One more thing, this car is available only in front wheel drives, which is the sad part about this car. That's why many people don't prefer this as a hot hatch. So there you have your reason. Talking about the ratings, I would like to give this car a score out of a 10. I give this car a 9 out of a 10 because of course it's perfect in its design and details of the Majorette car, but in terms of performance it definitely lacks there, and it's only front wheel drive, so that's why it gets a 9 out of 10. Comment your ratings down below, I'll definitely check them out, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook not to miss any of my posts. I'll see you all next weekend, guys. Bye bye. DCS out.
Thanks for watching and do subscribe!